We turn right at the traffic light. The traffic light facing me is red. I stop prior to the first white line. When I stop here, check left for pedestrian, check right for pedestrian. No one is coming, pedestrian. I go to the last lane and then check the road, check left, check right blind spot. If it's safe to do so, I go.
And there's no prohibited sign, so that means we can turn right at a red light.
That's right. You must be 100% sure the car is far enough not to cause collision, and make sure when you turn right, no pedestrian is on the way. Now we turn left at the intersection with a red light. Signal to the left blind spot. Go to the turning lane. Keep the distance. It's better you keep one car distance between you and the car front of you, or for some people, see the pavement of the two-tire car front of you. If the person is high, like a tall, you must leave one car distance. If it's short like me, you must see the pavement of the two-tire car front of you. By the way, my height is 163 centimeters. So, go to the middle of intersection, no car, check left blind spot, go left to left. Once you're here, you go with the speed limit sign. The speed limit here is 50. Signal to the right, check right blind spot. If it's safe, turn right to the right lane. So left to left, switch back to the right is your responsibility. You must do it when you do the test. Even though if you are not doing the test, that's the safest way to drive anyway. I recommend it, follow the recommendation of the MTO books, and that's the best way of driving safely all the time. If you want to change lane on the road, first check the middle mirror, make sure who's behind you is safe to turn or not. If you decided it's safe to change lane, signal to the left side mirror, left blind spot, and go like a scissors with the same speed limit. Once you are completely in the lane, turn off your signal without hesitation. Because if you forgot to turn off your signal, you confuse other vehicles. So you better turn off your signal when you don't need it anymore. We turn left at this intersection, left blind spot, go to the turning lane. The light is green, but the car is coming from oncoming traffic. I go to the middle of the intersection with the straight steering and wait for clarity from the oncoming traffic way. You can bend over your body, but not bend car, okay? Now it's safe to left blind spot and go. Speed limit is 60 and it's only one lane. So do not hesitate to go 60 if it's clear or is not traffic or not a bad road condition.